BetMGM, how to fix issues with verification. So if you're having issues with BetMGM verification, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. First of all, if we go to the official help section of verification issues from BetMGM, they say that this could actually be encountered during the document verification process, which is true. Upon submission of your documents, if you have opted to receive updates via SMS or email, you may have received correspondence resembling this type of message right here. Now, you'll also see another your verification is completed and so on. And this way, it should be able to you should be able to verify it. Now, you must also allow a processing time of up to 3 days for document verification. An email notification will be sent to you once the verification process is successfully completed, which will resemble this kind of options below right here. Now, if you're having other issues, then you can just try to contact customer support. If you're on the UK, you can go to betmgm.co.uk/support. From here and there, you'll find the live chat feature. From here, you'll be able to talk to the customer representative for your issue. Or if you're on US, once you go to betmgm.com, go to help and customer care. From help and customer care, on the next page, you have to simply go ahead and search for the contact us button. Once you click on contact us, right over there, you'll find the option called email or live chat, so you can contact them for any sort of other issues. But I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.